Oh, teacher, I need you.
Hi, welcome to Now No One Knows. I am here with Horace Mann, ILC teacher, former fourth grade compadre, Ellen Kwon. How long have you been teaching in Beverly Hills Unified?
Let's see, I started in 2005, so I think I'm finishing my 18th year.
Tell us something about yourself that nobody really knows.
Well, I used to play roller derby, and my roller derby name is Guantanamo Bay.
That is truly something I did not
referencing-
know. So, what are you going to enlighten me with today?
I thought we could talk about how to make math a little bit more fun. There are a bunch of strategies we're going to talk about. For addition, we're going to talk about the breaking apart. Have you heard about breaking apart, Noah? Okay, so here, 722 plus 158. How can we take a little bit from this number and add it here to make it a little bit easier? A group of 10.
Well, I would take 8 away from here.
Fantastic.
Because I'm seeing the 2 here, and I know that 8 and 2 are 10.
Okay, so we're essentially going to add 8 there, and that becomes
730.
All
and
right.
This becomes 150.
fantastic. So now, can you add these two numbers in your head?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Yeah.
It's 880.
That one is
Yes.
correct. Yes, 880. Woo! So you had just mentioned earlier about doing something here and then giving it back. That's his compensation method. Compensation, I like to say, is give a little, take a little, but in the end, you have to do the same thing. I want to get to the next 10. How many could you add there, Noah?
I can add 2.
All right, could you add 2 there? And then below it, could you write the new sum? All right, and I kind of did the math for you, but would you agree that adding 160 to this number is a lot easier than adding 158? But we had added 2 extra, so in the end, we need to do what then?
Subtract the 2,
Exactly.
which gives us.
These are 2 strategies to approach addition. Would you like to move on?
Oh, wait, there's more.
There's more! Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Did you know that you can use addition to actually subtract? Over here, this strategy, I love it because counting up is easier for me. So counting on method is you actually take the subtractant, 185, and you start there and you count up until you reach your minuend. So if you can, I kind of started off for you, but would you kindly add the numbers that help me get to the next group
Yes.
of 10?
I think I know where this is going.
Fantastic. And then the last step is in your head, add those 3 numbers together. Boom. So this is the counting on method. My students love this one, I do too. Similar to addition, compensation again, it's a give a little, take a little. So in this way, so 162 minus 48. Can we make 48 a more friendly number by adding something to it?
I'm going to try 12.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Just
Do it.
because I can. I'm going to add 12, and that's going to give me 60. And then this, I know 162 minus 60 right off the bat is
Right.
102. And so now we have 102, we add back the 12, and we get 114.
Now with zeros, I don't know about you, but I hate regrouping. Do you remember doing that?
Yes.
Go next door, carry, borrow, carry.
Yep.
But by adding one little step, you can make subtracting with zeros so much easier. So what is the largest digit in our number system? 0.
I mean 9?
Yes!
Okay.
So if we have 9, do you ever have to regroup?
No, because the point is to get to that.
Instead of having to do it individually, we can start by taking away right away. So if I
Okay.
take 1 away from 800, it becomes
799.
boom, and then you can subtract. There's no regrouping.
Can I do that?
Please do. Okay. You took 1 away though.
I have
This one you added back. So that was just 2 steps. Boom. So
Never did this before.
last one, here we go, multiplication. So very similar. Okay, we can break apart. Would you break this number apart into place values? 200 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, so without even writing, can you just, in your head, tell me what 4 times 2 plus 2 zeros?
That's 800.
Okay, 800. Let's leave that to the side. Okay, or you can write it down. You can write it down if you want.
Just
Just
For them at
this-
home.
Okay.
That's why I'm right. They can't see what's going on in here.
In your lovely brain.
Nobody can.
All right, next.
4 times
4
40.
times 40.
That's going to be 160. And 4 times 6 is 24.
All right.
And then this equals.
Fantastic. And then there's also the compensation, so the taking away, giving. So
Okay.
this one we had taken away, but we can also add.
Okay, so we're going to add 3.
Yes, please. So now that makes it a lot easier. 6 times 5 plus 2 zeros.
Right, that's 3,000.
Okay, fantastic. Let's write
So-
3,000 down there. You had added how many groups of 6?
3 groups.
Yeah, we added 3 groups of 6. And
So
what
then I
is
have
3
to
groups?
add.
No, we have to,
Subtract. I was thinking of this.
yes. So we need to subtract 3 groups of 6. So,
Okay, so then it'd be 2, 9, 8, 2.
yes. These are some of the strategies that I teach my 4th graders when we're dealing with addition, subtraction, multiplication.
And they do all of this in their head though.
Yes.
Do they practice on paper
So we
first, or
practice
they
on
can-
paper just so, I kind of, model what's happening in my head. And eventually we'll play a game, I'll do a thing, and they'll do it in their head, and then boom, they write their answer on their whiteboard and show it. And it's amazing how quickly they can come up with these answers if they use some of these strategies.
This is phenomenal. Ellen, thank you so much for showing me all of this. And now, Noah knows.
Yay.
Oh, teacher, I